Welcome to another edition of Mike's Vivid Thunder Pyrotechnics. Tonight, we're gonna demo Collateral Damage by Black Cat Fireworks. 49 shotter, 500 gram cake. Let's take a look at the description. Okay, we got for performance highlight, glitters, color plus, some crackle, multi-shot, aerial 500 gram, 49 shots, mixed vertical, sequential fan firing. Red, sky blue, white glitter, brocade, and red, green star, green purple star, and gold glitter. Red tip, gold palm, green glitter, blue tip, gold palm, red glitter, blue star, and red glitter with white glitter. Eject red glitter and green fish. Eject green glitter and red fish. Red, blue umbrella, and white glitter and delay crackle. Take a good look at the artwork. Alright, let's get into it. Nice strobe. Good fish effect. I love the strobe on it. Now I don't know why it didn't completely fire. That was not 49 shots, folks. It definitely did not completely fire. Okay, it did. It seemed like the last collateral damage I did was a little bit different. Well, there you have it. 49 shots. Mike's Vivid Thunder Pyrotechnics. So you can see every shot fired. I shot one on New Year's Eve. It seemed to be a variation. If you check out my New Year's Eve video, you'll see at the end, I missed it and I shot it at the end. It seems like it was different, so compare that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace and love.